The Silkworms' Adventure in the Fashion Workshop. Once upon a time, in a small Italian village, there lived two brother silkworms, Angelo and Giuseppe. They were two very creative silkworms, as they loved to draw and craft. They were also very keen on fashion and always liked to be dressed in the latest trends. One day, the two brothers decided to explore the world beyond their small village. After days of wandering, they stumbled upon a fashion workshop. As they looked around, they saw all kinds of colorful fabrics and shimmering threads, and they were mesmerized. The two of them noticed a magical door and decided to go through it. They were not sure what was inside the door, but they wanted to discover what magical surprises this day would bring. As they opened the door, they stepped into a world of fashion and art. The first thing they noticed was a big room full of mannequins wearing all kinds of different clothes. The clothes on the mannequins looked like they were made with some kind of special fabric, and it shimmered brighter than anything they had ever seen before. It seemed like a dream come true. The two of them were then approached by a friendly man named Antonio. He welcomed them in and happily welcomed them to the fashion workshop. He immediately recognized the two silkworms, and he knew that their talent and creativity could help him create special designs. The two of them were so excited. Immediately, they jumped into their design project and decided to explore the material and get to know the different tools available in the workshop. With some help from Antonio, they slowly but surely started to create their own masterpieces. Before long, it was time for the big fashion show. The two brothers had created a collection of stunning designs, and it was time to present them on the catwalk. As they presented their collection, the audience was amazed by the intricate patterns and vibrant colors of the clothes they had created. Once the show was over, the two brothers were very happy and they could not stop talking about their success. Angelo and Giuseppe knew that they had achieved something spectacular and they were very proud of their hard work. The two of them were also invited to a prestigious fashion event, where they even met some other famous fashion designers. They were simply thrilled. But after a while, the two of them realized that it was time to go home. So, with their magical backpacks and their freshly crafted designs, the two brothers made their way back home. They had made some incredible memories and had gained some fantastic new friends. Once they arrived home, the two brothers couldn't contain their excitement. They immediately told their family about their amazing adventure and showed them the clothes they had designed. Everyone was so amazed and proud. From that day forward, Angelo and Giuseppe decided to sew together and design fashion together. While their village still thought of them as regular silkworms, the two of them knew they were more, they were fashion designers. The end.